So we're going to mark on this dinner roll with the xTool F2 Ultra UV laser. And marking on food products with a UV laser is a perfectly safe process. What's not safe is to do it on a laser such as this one where I have processed other materials, because you run the risk of cross-contamination, which is bad. So we're doing this just for demonstration purposes only, so stay safe. So I've seen markings on fruit, bread, chocolate, all sorts of items. We're going to hop into xTool Studio and figure out some settings. I got a whole sack of rolls, and we'll keep at it until we make something happen. All right, let's do it. So there are no food products listed in the material library. I went through all of these, nothing even close to food. So we're just going to try something. We'll go over and grab a shape, grab a star. We'll put that on there, set it to engrave. And then we will go with, and I'm purely guessing, so if you have something you can share, please do. And we will go with 600 speed. And 200 lines per centimeter. So there is our star. And we're going to hit that and see what we get. All right, we got nothing. So we're going to go back and try it again. So we got nothing out of that. So we're going to increase this. It made no kind of mark at all. So we're going to make this, we'll do 30% power. Leave it at 600 and give it another go. Okay, we got a light mark on it that time. So we're going to get a different roll and we're going to increase the power and do it again. Okay, we are starting to cook. So we're going to increase the size. We have a new roll in there now. We're going to increase the size of the star. We're going to make the power 40%. And the speed will make 400. So we should get a pretty good mark this time. So let's run this on a new roll and see what we get. All right, so we got a much better mark that time. So that last try came out the best for sure, but it could still be better with some more testing, especially if I had a roll that wasn't all wrinkled up. And there's an added degree of difficulty figuring out some settings since xTool Studio does not have a food product in their materials library. We could use that as a base to do a material test and figure out exactly what we need by the product. Now remember, this is only safe if you're doing it on a UV laser that has not been used for other materials. If you've done this before on a UV laser, please let me know in the comments. If you got some settings you want to share, please do that. It'll help me out, and it'll help out the viewers that come across it. So if you have questions, let me know. I'm glad to answer them. At least I'll try. And I appreciate you folks watching. I'd appreciate it if you come back and check for new videos. We'll have more on the xTool F2 Ultra UV as well as the other lasers in the shop. So stay tuned, take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.